Hey, welcome to Tabschool. We are glad that you chose us. Onboarding on Tabschool is easy. You start by completing your school or educational institute profile. It helps you to build your profile and a strong online presence. This profile is seen by all your students on the Students app. So make sure that you make an impression. Your second step is to add teachers. You can add them in bulk or individually. Watch our video on the topic. Then, go ahead and start adding classes. Make sure you have added all subjects before you add a class. We recommend that you watch our video on the same topic. Lastly, add students. Assigned to their respective class. A full video is available for you to guide. We suggest that you watch it. Ta-da! Your onboarding it's done. To understand the Tabschool dashboard, watch the video we designed for you on the topic.